Hi, this is a quick video to show you how to use the NRDS Aina site log app. So I've already logged into my app and downloaded it. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fetch data. And what fetching data does is it grabs the data off the server and updates it on your device. So you want to do this pretty much every time before you go in the field. You could either fetch all the data, which means you're completely getting everything from the server, or maybe you only need to update certain things. So in my case, I'm going to fetch all the data. And it could take a couple of seconds to grab your stuff, but now you can see I have a bunch of polygons and data on here. Maybe you just added a worker or something and you just need to update dropdowns. In that case, you can just click update dropdowns and that'll update for you. So now I'm out in the field and GPS, the blue dot, will show me where I am, and I need to enter a site log. So in that case, I can either click and select an existing polygon, or I can draw a new polygon. So in this case, I'm going to select an existing polygon. So I have this one right here, and actually, in my situation, I'm going to go offline, just to show you how it works offline. I can switch this to offline mode, or if I actually go out of service, it should switch on its own. So in this situation, I'm going to select an existing polygon. And once I select it, I'm going to click Data down here. And I can see past site logs that I've done. I can actually click on them and I can view the data. And now I'm going to add a new one. So I add a new site log by clicking Add Site Log. I can change the date if I need to. I can add the event type, who was completed by, and then I can enter a visit reason. And if there's nothing found, I can click Nothing Found. I can use this counter to count items, or I can click on the item itself and enter a number. I can add photos either from my camera or from the library on my device. And I can add multiple photos. So once I'm done, I save it. And you see how it's red? That means it has not been synced back to the server. And I'll do this one more time in a connected environment just so you can see the difference. But I could also draw a new polygon. So I can click the polygon button, either track, which means I'm going to walk around it. And on the iPad, it actually takes a little while before it starts collecting your location. So you just have to walk a little bit before it starts collecting data. It's a little bit annoying. But I can trace an area on the map, click, I can actually name it, and I can add a new site log, same way that I did before. So I have an option to create a new polygon or select an existing one. So once I'm back in the office or in a connected environment, I can switch this to online mode, and I can push the data. Pushing the data sends it over to the server. And the next time I go out in the field, if I have multiple people working, I'm going to want to fetch the data again because I'm going to need to get their data onto my app. If you're in a connected environment, you'll see that when you add a polygon or a site log, it automatically turns purple. That means that it's already syncing to the server. You can also go and look up your data. And you can do that by clicking this magnifying glass, and then you can type something in, and that'll take you to it. You can also do a long press on the magnifying glass, and that'll give you a menu to where you can search features that you can then click on and see the past site logs. It also gives you proximity to the future. They get ordered automatically in proximity. You can also click on this work menu, and the work menu will give you a list of site logs in date order that you can then click on and view. Right now you can't edit in the work menu. You can also get to that same menu by clicking the menu and clicking data. So that's a pretty quick overview of the site log app. Let me know if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you.